Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen rotation on your Red Magic Astra tablet. If your screen isn't rotating, then first of all, let's try to enable auto screen rotation by swiping down the control center and enabling auto rotate function here. Then try tilting your device's screen in different sides and check screen rotation. Your screen should be able to rotate in any direction on any menu on your tablet. And if it's not working, then simply restart your tablet by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds and selecting restart option. Let your tablet reboot, and after that the issue should be resolved as the sensors will be restarted. Let's wait for a couple of seconds until the tablet is restarted. And if the issue still isn't gone, then maybe there is some third-party application that is interfering with the auto rotation setting or the auto rotation feature on your tablet. And to resolve this kind of issue, we're gonna have to reboot our tablet into the safe mode. And to do that, hold down the power button for a couple of seconds, select power off, and then turn on your device by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds until you see the logo on your screen. Wait for about 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds, start holding down the volume down key until your tablet is booted into the safe mode. Okay, so here in the safe mode, check your auto rotation once again. And if it's still not working, then let's restart back into the normal mode. And in the normal mode, let's go to settings and first of all go to network connectivity, disable airplane mode, then go to Wi-Fi, reconnect your Wi-Fi network, and then scroll down to system and update. Go to system update and check if you have any updates available for your tablet, and if you do, then download and install the latest system version, and after that this issue might be gone. And if not, as a last resort, you can perform a factory reset operation, but back up all of your important data somewhere else, either in the cloud service or on your computer, and then go to system and update again, select reset options, and select erase all data to perform a factory reset operation on your tablet. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.